Hey there. Today, we're going to show you how to pressure wash the driveway. We'll walk through every single step to make your driveway look like new by using a pressure washer. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Before you even start the pressure washer, it's essential to clear the driveway of any obstacles. Move away cars, bikes, toys, and any outdoor furniture that's in the way. Also, make sure to sweep away any loose debris, dirt, and small stones with a broom. This helps prevent anything from getting in the way and keeps debris from flying around when you start pressure washing. Now let's set up the pressure washer. If you're new to pressure washers, no worries. Here's what you need to know. There are two main types of pressure washers, electric and gas-powered. Electric ones are usually lighter and quieter, while gas-powered ones often deliver more power. For most driveways, a pressure washer that delivers at least 2,000 psi, pounds per square inch, and a flow rate of around 2 GPM, gallons per minute, should work well. Attach your garden hose to the pressure washer's water inlet. Make sure everything is tightly secured. Attach the nozzle. Pressure washers come with different nozzle tips that vary the pressure and spray angle. For driveway cleaning, a 25-degree nozzle is typically a good choice as it provides both effective pressure and a broader spray. Apply detergent or degreaser. For stubborn stains, especially oil spots, you'll want to pre-treat the area with a detergent or degreaser. Look for one that's made for pressure washers to avoid damaging the machine. Spray the detergent. Pour the detergent or degreaser into the pressure washer's detergent tank if it has one. If not, you can spray the detergent manually and let it sit on the surface. Let it soak. Allow the detergent to sit on the stains for about 10 to 15 minutes, but avoid letting it dry completely. Interesting fact, according to the National Institute of Health's Household Surface Cleaner Guide from 2020, allowing a detergent to sit before scrubbing can help break down grease and oils by as much as 80%. Now, the fun part. The actual pressure washing. Set up properly. Wear your safety gear, gloves, goggles, and ear protection before turning on the washer. Start with a low-pressure setting if you're unsure of how powerful your machine is, and gradually increase if needed. Begin washing. Hold the pressure washer wand about 12 to 18 inches from the driveway. Use sweeping, even motions, working from one end of the driveway to the other. Overlap your passes slightly to ensure every area is covered. Pro tip. For best results, use a surface cleaner attachment. This accessory can make your job faster and more uniform by spreading the pressure over a broader area, preventing streaks. After you've finished pressure washing, turn off the pressure washer and use a garden hose to give the driveway a final rinse. This helps wash away any detergent residue and loose debris. Look over your driveway carefully. If you see any remaining spots or stubborn stains, you can go over those areas with a smaller nozzle, like a 15-degree tip, or use the pressure washer on a slightly higher setting. Once you're happy with the results, detach the garden hose and pressure washer, letting everything drain thoroughly. It's a good idea to rinse off the pressure washer parts, especially the nozzles, to prevent any clogs in the future. Finally, let the driveway dry. It will usually take a few hours, depending on the weather. And that's it. You now have a driveway that looks practically brand new. Pressure washing your driveway is a quick way to improve curb appeal and prevent grime buildup. Just remember these steps: prep the area, set up your pressure washer, apply detergent, pressure wash, rinse, and clean up.